This is an amazing story.
I'm excited for your analysis of what was said to be a big announcement, and now people don't seem that excited about it.
Well, the stock went crazy. The stock's still well above where it was before they said they were going to have an announcement. So stock goes way up, goes a little bit down. That's exciting. Look at the stock chart over the last year. You can see the movement in the stock has never been as exciting as it's been in the last week. This dramatic move when they said they're going to have an announcement, wouldn't say what it was. Then they announced the profitability, say, wait, there's more. Then we get the announcement about a leasing program that, maybe not so well received. Listen to what Elon Musk had to say to us on last night's broadcast.
I thought it was important to get a financing product out there that broadened the marketplace, because with what we saw with SolarCity, we had an incredibly good experience when we were able to offer a compelling, easy-to-use, accessible financing program. We saw a dramatic increase in the market.
And the numbers issues that you've been highlighting in great detail. Have you gotten any clarity on those?
So we had an interesting moment last night, actually on Pim Fox's show, when he was talking to someone who actually put in an order from Tesla in December and received it in March. Listen to what Hans had to say when he was on Pim's show yesterday.
I got it on Wednesday.
On Wednesday, it's brand new.
It's brand new. I picked it up from the Queens dealership. I ordered it in December, so the turnaround was pretty quick.
All right, so think about that. He orders in December, receives it in March. Here's why it's really important. Tesla ended 2012 with 15,000 orders in hand. 15,000 people waiting to get cars. We know that they sold 4,750 cars in the quarter. So that should mean there's still 15,000 people who had already ordered in December, or still should have been 10,250 people still waiting for cars. And yet here we've got a guy who ordered a car in December, got it in March. Did he jump to the front of the line? Did he race, or do they get, with the 4,750 cars delivered, did they in fact have a lot of deferments? Did they have a lot of cancellations? I talked to Tesla today and said, what's up? The numbers just don't add up unless you've had 10,000 cancellations. They said, well, they're not all cancellations. There are also people who are told, you could have the car now, but maybe you deferred it, or maybe we're making something else. But it really suggests that there was a surge in cancellations and deferments. Customers who were offered cars and said, we don't want it, or we don't want it now. And that is our numbers that they didn't provide us when they made this announcement on Monday. They didn't provide us yesterday. But the numbers pretty clearly say that customers did not want as many cars as they had ordered at the end of December.
So you think this is what would perhaps explain the PR push then?
Yeah, well, and it wasn't just a push in public relations that we've seen over the last week. I've uncovered an email that was sent to a Tesla customer. Tesla has confirmed this email is accurate. And I think it's kind of amazing. They're asking customers to pull their orders forward. Please, please, please order in the first quarter. Let me read directly what it says. This was an email to a Tesla customer in March. Tesla's right on the cusp of profitability this quarter for the first time in 10 years since the company started. This is a huge company milestone that will not only be great for the company, but also for our customers. In order for Tesla to be able to count your Model S for the quarter, we simply need to receive payment.
Pretty amazing.
So pulling orders forward, suggesting that demand wasn't there unless they really beat up on customers to bring the order into the quarter, suggesting that the lineup for next quarter won't be as big because they're pulling the orders in the first quarter.